Welcome back to the channel, Auto Pulse. Today we're diving into the impressive 2025 CLAAS Arion 660, a tractor that perfectly blends modern technology, comfort, and performance to meet the demanding needs of today's farmers. Whether you're handling heavy fieldwork or everyday agricultural tasks, the Arion 660 is built to deliver reliable, efficient, and powerful results. At the heart of the Arion 660 is a robust 6.8-liter, 6-cylinder DPS engine that delivers up to 205 horsepower with the CLAAS power management system. This ensures that you get that extra boost exactly when you need it, especially during transport or heavy PTO work. The engine is compliant with the latest emission standards and combines power with fuel efficiency, helping to reduce operational costs while keeping performance high. One of the standout features of the Arion 660 is the CLAAS continuously variable transmission, offering seamless acceleration and smooth gear transitions. This allows for precise control in the field and on the road. Whether you're adjusting to different terrains or speeds, the CLAAS transmission ensures a comfortable and efficient driving experience. It's ideal for tasks that require frequent speed changes like baling, mowing, or loading. Inside the cab, the CLAAS Arion 660 offers one of the most comfortable and intuitive operator environments in its class. The ergonomically designed cab features premium materials, excellent visibility, and advanced technology that makes operating the tractor easy and stress-free. The CLAAS SYS Plus or CEBIS display provides real-time information and intuitive controls for all tractor functions. With adjustable armrests, a comfortable seat, and low noise levels, the Arion 660 ensures long hours in the cab are productive and fatigue-free. The Arion 660 also comes equipped with advanced hydraulic systems. It offers up to 150 liters per minute hydraulic flow with load-sensing pumps, making it suitable for demanding implements and multitasking operations. It also includes several rear and front hydraulic spool valves, allowing simultaneous use of various implements. The tractor is fully isobus compatible, giving you the ability to control modern implements directly from the cab's display. The front axle suspension and the proactive chassis ensure excellent stability and comfort during both fieldwork and road transport. Coupled with a tight turning radius and high ground clearance, the Arion 660 is both agile and capable in all types of working conditions. Whether you're navigating narrow farm roads or wide-open fields, this tractor adapts seamlessly to every task. Another great aspect of the Arion 660 is its versatility. It's not just for tillage or planting, it's equally efficient with loader work, transport, and forage applications. You can equip it with a CLAAS front loader, making it an excellent choice for handling bales, feed, and other materials on the farm. It also has a robust rear linkage capable of lifting heavy implements with ease. From a design perspective, the Arion 660 is both practical and stylish. The sleek bodywork and durable materials offer easy maintenance access and a modern look that matches its high-tech features. Daily checks and servicing are made simple with wide-opening panels and easy-to-reach filters, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. CLAAS has also integrated a wide range of digital solutions, such as telematics, allowing you to monitor the performance, location, and servicing needs of your Arion 660 from your smartphone or computer. This brings a new level of connectivity to your fleet and helps streamline your operations even further. Overall, the 2025 CLAAS Arion 660 is a powerful, reliable, and operator-friendly tractor that stands out in the medium horsepower segment. With its blend of advanced engineering, comfort, and smart technology, it's built to meet the demands of modern farming while keeping running costs low and efficiency high. Whether you're a contractor or a progressive farmer, the Arion 660 is a smart investment for your operation. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other farming enthusiasts. I'll see you in the next video on Auto Pulse.